Just a tiny premiere, just a few people, you know, and the sisterhood that has developed.
Banana
Has been such a gift.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Beautiful, thank you, Ariana. Thank you.
Front place, Ariana, please.
Beautiful, thank you.
Ari, just down here, thank you. Thank you. Cindy, down here, thank you.
Down to your right, please. Down to your right.
Welcome to our land of Oz.
It looks perfect.
Beautiful.
I think never go back.
You sang live. We've seen a little bit of you two doing Defying Gravity a cappella. What was that for you?
I think it was really important for the both of us because it allowed us to be really connected to the action of the piece, to the emotion.
Improv and silliness and the live just allows for all of that to be more truthful.
Working together on a film like Tattoos.
Oh,
Yes,
yes, many.
This one right here.
It's for good. So when we hold hands, they touch.
Yeah.
If we're like,
Oh, I love
They
it.
touch.
if we're like this, they touch.
And then we have these,
Our poppies.
our puppies. Hers is upside down and mine is the right way.
Get in there, man. What's your name? Welcome in, Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. Nice to meet you, Jeff. Thank you, Jeff.
Get that close up.
I feel like I hope when people watch it that it can inspire them to become more empathetic and maybe to be less judgmental of what they see, you know what I mean? And just kind of give people the chance because there's so many layers to everything and there's so much humanness and context that gets erased these days. And I feel like I hope it inspires people to lead with empathy and with more love and maybe they'll meet someone like Alpha who will pop their bubble someday.
Well, that's it. And hopefully you guys will feel a bit like an alpha.